Well, hello everyone. Today's video, we're going to be swapping out this eco-worthy charge controller here. This one, I think I burned it out. It's not charging my battery anymore, but it's only rated for 400 watts. And I put a 550 watt panel on here. So now I've got a charge controller. This one's rated for 600 watts. When I was looking on eBay, I couldn't find one that was rated for this many watts at first. And so I bought the eco-worthy, hoping that it'd work out, but it didn't. Once the sun got more overhead, summertime sunshine, it quit working. But it worked fine for 3 months in the winter. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna turn off the power to the battery. Okay, now I'm unhooking the solar panels. All right, now I'm unhooking the battery terminals that are coming up from the charge controller. I just have it wired nutted because I thought I was going to be changing this out pretty soon. Now we're going to remove the screws. So this is a number 6 self-tapping screw. We're going to use the existing hole on this side. We'll have to drill a new hole on this side. So the eco-worthy came with MC4 connectors on it, which is pretty nice. We're gonna have to put these ones on that one. I'm just gonna wire nut them for now. We need this one for the positive. Put this one on the negative. Okay. All right, now we're hooking up our battery connections. There's the positive. Here's the negative. So for the testing, I'm just wire nutting everything. Once I know it works really well, I'll put connections on all of these. Let's get the battery hooked up. All right, time to start powering stuff up. We'll start with the battery. You can hear that click as it comes on. Nothing on our display screen, which I kind of expected because the eco-worthy didn't liven up till I actually plugged in the solar panels. So now we're gonna plug in the solar panels. All right, there we go, see? Livened up. Okay, this has a really small display on it for sure, but you can see the solar is putting power in. But it's hard to read those because they're so small. I like the eco-worthy, it has a nice big red display. But as you can see over here, says we're charging. Okay, I've been driving this golf cart around for about a week, testing this controller. It's working perfectly. As you can see, the battery's 100% charged right now, and the charge controller has stopped charging. It's off right now, just like it's supposed to do. Now we're gonna go ahead, I'm gonna turn on the key, and I'm going to back up a little bit. Go forward a little bit. And that should have drained just enough power. Yep, there you go. It's back on charging. So working just like it should. We're gonna keep testing obviously for the next while. So just keep track of this card on our channel and we'll see how long it goes. And definitely check out our other channel, Solar Powered Adventures. That's where we take all of our solar powered equipment and we drive it all over the desert. We check out airplane wrecks, old mine shafts, all kinds of awesome stuff. Thanks so much for watching and we'll catch you all in the next video.